Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel GungunTalks. In today's video, I'll be discussing 3 important things you should do daily morning to become successful and to become rich soon in your life. The way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. By incorporating these 3 important things as rituals into your daily morning routine, you'll find yourself feeling more energized, focused, and ready to take on any challenge that come your way through the day. Let's learn these 3 magical actions. One, practice mindfulness. Before you start your day, take a few moments for yourself. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. During this time, focus on the present moment. Pay attention to your breathing and the sensations in your body. Allow any thoughts or worries to pass without judgment. This activity will help you to develop calm and clarity, allowing you to approach your day with a clear and settled mind. Now that you've centered yourself, let's move on to the next important action. 2. Engage in physical activity. Engaging in physical activity is our second morning activity. Whether it's a quick workout, a brisk walk, or some stretching exercises, getting your body moving in the morning has numerous benefits. Physical activity boosts your energy levels, enhances your mood, and improves your overall well-being. It also increases mental clarity and concentration, allowing you to be more productive and focused throughout the day. 3. Set clear goals. The third activity is to set clear goals for the day. Take a few minutes to decide your priorities and tasks for the day ahead. Write them down. Be specific about what you want to accomplish, and break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. It gives you a clear sense of urgency throughout the day, ensuring that you make progress towards what truly matters to you. By incorporating these 3 rituals into your daily morning routine, you'll create a solid foundation for a productive and successful day, and eventually leading to earn success and money. Make these 3 activities your daily habit and your days will get more purposeful and more rewarding. Be consistent and you will soon become rich, very rich. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now go out there and make the most of your mornings. Have a fantastic day.